How to fix Instagram follow limit. Now, if you've been following people quite often on Instagram will automatically limit that behavior so that you don't spam that feature. Normally, to fix a follow limit, you can just wait for 24 to 48 hours for the temporary block to lift, because this is something that will get lifted automatically, as Instagram perceives rapid following as a bot-like behavior. So because you are spamming that feature, maybe to increase your followers or anything, it is considered as a bot or a spammy behavior. And while waiting, also you can unfollow some people that are not conducive to your Instagram feed. So you can go to your following tab and make sure to basically unfollow some people to get closer to the maximum of 7,500 total following limit, and remove any third-party apps that might be causing issues, and avoid aggressive follow or unfollow tactics. So I hope that this video helped you out. If you have got any further questions, do feel free to leave them down. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.